Alrighty, here we are going to find the missing side of similar triangles. And these triangles are not drawn to scale, but they are similar, which means that their lengths are corresponding. So here we have the smaller triangle and we have the larger triangle, and most people will teach it using some sort of ratio where you do one ratio with the smaller length and one ratio with the larger length, and then you make that equal to another ratio with the missing side involved, and then you solve for x. But we are going to do something instead. So for most similar triangles, since their sides are corresponding, there is usually some sort of pattern that you find with these triangles. If we look at the sides that we do have, so we have 4 and 12 here, and I'll just highlight them to show that these are the corresponding sides. So these are the sides that are corresponding, 4 and 12, right? So if we look 4 to 12, right? Then we are going to do the same thing for the other length, which is 3 to 9. And they are both multiplied by the same number in order to get this number. So 4 times 3 gives you 12, 3 times 3 gets you 9. So we can assume that you take the value of one of the smaller sides and you multiply by 3, and it will give you the value of the corresponding larger side of the similar triangle. So here we have 2, and it's corresponding with our missing side that we need to find, which is that magenta color. So if we know that we're multiplying by 3, we can do 2 times 3 equals 6, which most people know. So then we can assume x equals 6. And here's where we can check our work with the other method. And so what you do is you would take 2 of the corresponding sides, so let's take 4 and 12, and make a fraction. 4 over 12 equals, and you take this corresponding sides with the missing side, and so we'll do 2 over x. And here we'll do reciprocals where you multiply like this. So we got 4x equals 24, and we solve for x, and it equals 6. So we know that we are correct with x equals 6.